Ladies and gentlemen, today, we turn our focus to a subject in art that is both intricate and deeply symbolic: the drawing of hands. Hands are more than just anatomical structures. They are a profound reflection of our capabilities, intentions, and our interaction with the world. Through the lens of Stoic philosophy, drawing hands becomes a practice of patience, acceptance, and self-reflection. The complexity of hands are remarkable. They are the tools through which we shape our world, express ourselves, and connect with others. The sheer complexity of their structure, the interplay of bones, muscles, tendons, and skin, makes them both challenging and rewarding subjects for artists. Each hand has its unique nuances, and capturing these requires not just skill, but a deep understanding and respect for their form. Drawing hands demands careful observation and precision. It invites us to explore their dynamic nature, to appreciate their versatility and expressiveness. In Stoic terms, this practice is a reflection of our ability to engage fully with the present moment, to cultivate mindfulness and attention to detail. The virtue of patience. To draw hands is to engage in a lesson in patience. The process involves careful study, repeated attempts, and a commitment to understanding the subtle variations in form and gesture. The challenge lies not only in capturing the physical details, but also in conveying the essence of what hands represent. Patience is a key Stoic virtue. It teaches us to endure difficulties with calm and resilience. As we draw hands, we face the frustration of capturing their complexity, the challenge of rendering their subtle movements. This patience is not just about enduring the time it takes to improve our skill, but about embracing the process of learning and growth. In the moments of frustration, when our drawings do not align with our expectations, remember that this is an opportunity to practice patience. Each line, each curve, each attempt is a step toward greater understanding and mastery. Embracing imperfection. No drawing of hands will ever be perfect. The intricacy of their form and the fluidity of their movement mean that imperfections are inevitable. These imperfections are not failures, but reflections of our human condition. They are opportunities to practice acceptance and to recognize that our work, like ourselves, is always a work in progress. Stoicism teaches us to accept imperfection with equanimity. The imperfections in our drawings remind us that we are on a journey, not a destination. Each flaw is a chance to learn, to refine our technique, and to grow. By embracing these imperfections, we cultivate resilience and grace, allowing us to approach our practice with a spirit of continuous improvement. Finding joy in the process. Drawing hands, like any artistic endeavor, invites us to find joy in the process rather than focusing solely on the outcome. This aligns with the Stoic principle of finding contentment in our actions and intentions. When we immerse ourselves in the act of drawing, we engage fully with the present moment, appreciating the intricacies of our subject and the satisfaction of our efforts. Joy in the process is about more than just enjoyment. It is about connecting deeply with our work. When we draw hands with presence and intention, we find fulfillment not only in the final result, but in the act of creation itself. This presence and immersion are where true satisfaction lies. Hands as a metaphor for action. Hands are a powerful metaphor for action and agency. They represent our ability to shape our world, to create, to connect, and to influence. In drawing hands, we engage with this symbolic dimension, reflecting on our own capacity for action and impact. Stoicism teaches us to focus on what is within our control and to act with intention and purpose. By drawing hands, we are reminded of our own potential to act, to contribute, and to make a difference. This reflection helps us to appreciate the power of our own actions and to approach our work with a sense of purpose and responsibility. The ethical dimension of representation. When drawing hands, we also engage with ethical considerations. The way we represent our subject can reflect our respect and sensitivity towards it. Hands can convey a range of emotions and intentions, and it is important to approach this representation with mindfulness and integrity. Stoicism emphasizes the importance of virtue and respect, in all our actions. As artists, we have a responsibility to honor our subjects with dignity and care. By approaching our work with this ethical awareness, we enrich our practice and align our actions with the Stoic values of honor and respect. Conclusion. In drawing hands, we embark on a journey that mirrors many of the principles of Stoic philosophy. We practice patience in the face of complexity, embrace imperfection as part of our growth, find joy in the process of creation, and reflect on our capacity for action and impact. Let us approach the drawing of hands with the wisdom of the Stoics. Let us engage fully with the present moment, accept our limitations with grace, and find fulfillment in our efforts. Through this practice, we not only enhance our artistic skills, but also cultivate a deeper understanding of ourselves and our place in the world. Like, share, and subscribe.